Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about 8th Pay Commission and will discuss on what the government take on 8th Pay Commission. So friend, yesterday I have brought a video and had discussed about what the government take on OPS. Means we knew that the government denied for restoration of OPS in yesterday's question in Lok Sabha on 22nd of July 2024. Questions on OPS and Ethical Commission were asked. So government totally denied for restoration of OPS and they said that there is no consideration even to think of restoration of OPS. So other side, Sri Anand Bhattaria ji asked on bringing at the commission on seeing all the inflation that government employees and pensioners are facing. So in response, the government replied that they are not thinking on any such provisions and there is no any will for government to bring at the commission by now. So friends, this is a really big update because after each and every 10 years, the central government or all the state governments following the path of central government revises pay commissions. So as of now, we can be assured that the central government is not planning to bring at the pay commission, but they can bring some other method or other formula. So merger of 50% of DA is also denied because that's not untake officially. So ethical commission is now again been denied by the central government for central government employees by the central government. So friends, if any further update comes, I will get to know. Thank you.